Hey everyone, and welcome back to the workshop. Today, we've got a real challenge on our hands. Check this out. We found this old freezer, completely abandoned and left for rust. Most people would see this as a pile of junk ready for the scrapyard. But not us. We see potential. Meet Aslam, a true magician with tools. He believes anything can be saved with a little bit of skill and a lot of heart. We're going to follow his journey as he completely overhauls this forgotten relic. From tackling the rusted exterior to rewiring the entire cooling system, this is a restoration story you won't want to miss. Will he be able to bring this icy giant back from the dead? There's only one way to find out. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's see some magic happen. Thanks for watching.